Hello guys! In this video, you will learn how you can create Add Yours template on Instagram. So the first thing that you want to do is to open your Instagram app. And then we can tap on Your Story. Now select the picture or the image that you want to post as a story. As you can see right here, this is the one that I picked. And then after that, just tap on the sticker icon at the top. And then after that, what we will do is to tap on Add Yours template sticker. So now after that, you can now add some text on your template. Just tap on this alphabet icon at the top. And so because this is your template, you can basically add any text or words that you want. And then right here, as you can see, you can edit the font and change the color of the text. And then just tap on Done. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!